Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to change name Microsoft Teams on computer. So how to change name Microsoft Teams on computer? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, just go straight to Microsoft Teams on your computer or laptop. And this is the initial display on Microsoft Teams. Just point the cursor to the upper right corner of the screen. Here there are several icons. And tap this profile icon. Here a menu like this will appear. Next, point the cursor to your account. The account screen will show two icons. Select this pencil icon. Now the NPT menu will appear to change the name of your Microsoft Teams. Type your first name here. And last name. After finishing, tap Save. Now it's finished being changed. To see it, we go back to the profile like before. You can see here that my Microsoft Teams name has been successfully changed. So that's it, tutorial how to change name Microsoft Teams on computer. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.